Hello students, I am Nidhi here. In this video, we are going to start a new topic, working with tables. So working with tables, what is a table? A table is an organized arrangement of text in the form of rows and columns. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. A table is very useful way of organizing and presenting a large amount of data and information. So we are using tables to keeping a large amount of information in an organized way in the form of rows and columns. Inserting a table. So Microsoft PowerPoint provides a variety of ways to create a table. So in PowerPoint we are getting more than one way to create a table. First one is using table grid, second one is using insert table option, and third one is using draw table option. So let's see how we can create a table. For that I am taking one new slide here. Here we have three methods. Click on insert tab, then I am getting here table option. Click on this drop down arrow, and first one is I am getting this grid here in the form of rows and columns. How many number of rows and columns you want in your table? Just hover your mouse over these. Okay, table will be inserted in your slide. This is the first method. Second one is again under this table option you are getting insert table. Click on it, you are getting this dialog box. Here you have to enter the number of rows and columns. How many number of rows columns you want? Click on it and select it and click on OK. Table will be inserted here. And one more way is here. Third one is draw table option. Here I am getting the draw table option. Just click on it and you will observe here that your pointer has been turned into this pencil shape. Press the left mouse button and drag this pencil on the slide. You will get this box, and here now I am going to draw the rows and columns. Okay, here in this way you can insert the rows and columns in your table. Next one is how to add data in your table. So how we can add data in a table? Just click on the cell wherever you want to write and start entering the text. Just press tab key to move forward, or you can also press the mouse button to enter the data in the cells. Now next we have how we can insert rows and columns in a table. I want to insert one more row here. How I can insert? For that, just click on the row wherever you want to insert it. After that you have to right click on it, then I will get here option insert. Further I am getting insert row above or below. Wherever you want to insert the row, click on that, one more row will be inserted. Same like that, if you want to add any column, select the column and click on insert option. Then I am getting here option insert column left or right. Wherever you want to insert, just select that option. It will be inserted here into your cells. Next is how to delete rows and columns. Right click here and select delete column. Whole column will be deleted. Same like that, if you want to delete any row, right click on the row and select delete row option. Row will be deleted. Right, here next I have splitting and merging a table. And what is the meaning of splitting? That is, I can divide one cell into many cells. How I can? This is my cell. I want to divide this cell into 2 or 3 cells. How I can? Firstly, I have to place the cursor here. Then I have to click on this layout tab. Click on this layout tab. Here I am getting the option split. Right? So here you will get the option split cells. This one in merge group. Click on this. Now how many columns you want? I want 3 columns here. And I'm clicking on OK. Now you just see 3 columns has been inserted here. 3 columns has been created. Same like that, if you want to split rows, split cells, number of columns it should be 1, and number of rows how many you want? right here, and you just see it has been splitted, it has been divided. Now next is merging. I want to merge. Merge means to combine the cells. I want to combine these two cells. For that you have to select the number of cells, how many you want to merge, and click on this merge cells option. Now it will become a one cell. Look here again, select the number of cells and click on merge cells option. It will become a single cell. Now this is the way how you can split and how you can merge your cells. Okay, next one is how we can move the table. I want to move this table from one place to another. How I can move? For that, here you can see this is my table move handle on its top left corner. Click on it and drag your mouse pointer. Wherever you will drag and drop, it will be placed there. Click this, your pointer will turn into four-headed arrow. Then you can press the left mouse button and drag your mouse pointer from one place to another. Right? So this is how you can work with tables. Thank you and have a nice day.